Can code make Belfast's roads safer? Now, driving can be dangerous at the best of times. Even if you're just going along a straight road, you've got cars in front and behind to keep an eye on. But when you get to an intersection, it gets even worse. Suddenly you've got cars coming at you from other directions. But thank goodness we have traffic lights so everyone knows whose turn it is to go. The drivers just look at the lights and they can see if they're red or green, and they know if they're allowed to drive out or if they have to stop. And I'm afraid this video is going to be quite a short one because programming traffic lights is really easy. So here we've got a intersection with a north-south road and an east-west road, and all you have to do is write a little bit of code that says, okay, to start with, north-south will be red and east-west will be green. You then wait a while and then you swap. North-south becomes green, east-west becomes red, and then you write repeat. So you just loop over and over through that, and that's pretty much it. Although actually we can do a bit better, because look, we've got lots of traffic going north-south all of a sudden and not much going east-west, and it's a real waste to make the north-south traffic wait half the time when there's no one crossing in the other direction. So, well, this is computer code, right? So we can fix that. We just do an if statement. We'll say, okay, start green north-south, red east-west, and then after a while, if there is traffic going east-west that's waiting, then switch. Otherwise, don't stay going north-south. And that one simple if-then statement will fix all our problems. And the traffic lights know if there's traffic coming in the other directions because they have detectors. There are detectors built into the roads. As you drive around Northern Ireland, if you look at the road right before you get to traffic lights, you will see a darker coloured rectangle in the road. And what's happened there is someone has cut a groove in the road, they've put a sensor into it and covered it with a kind of rubber substance. And because it's a slightly different colour, you can spot it there. And that's an inducer loop. It can detect the metal of a car going over the top. And then the traffic lights in their code, they change depending on whether or not they've detected cars. And so you can see our intersection is working a lot better now. Although, actually, we can probably do better again, because we're changing the colours when there's one car coming the other way and it's waiting a long time afterwards. What we could do is have a minimum amount of time to wait in one state, and then if another car shows up, we can have a second if-then statement to make the wait time go a bit longer. So if one car crosses, it changes shortly afterwards, but if a second one comes, it lasts a bit longer. Okay, now we've got another problem where lots of cars can keep showing up and the lights are never going to change back. That's fine. Let's have a while statement. So we'll say up until a maximum amount of time. While the time is less than that, you stay green one way. And even if a car comes, if we get to the end of that while statement and it's been too long, we can then switch back and go the other way. So we'll fix that quite... Oh, they're pedestrians now. Okay. Fine, pedestrians are going to show up and they're going to want to push a button and they're going to want to cross the road, but okay, we'll take the whole routine we've got for the traffic, we'll put that to the side for a second. We'll have another code routine that looks for the button being pressed, and if that's pressed, we have another if-then statement. We can change the lights so that pedestrians can cross, and that can interrupt the first routine we wrote for the traffic. And okay, everything should still... Oh, we got more than one intersection. Okay, that's fine, because we can get clever now, so we can have one set of lights depend on what's happening at another set of lights. So in fact, we know if extra traffic is coming because we can check what's happened somewhere else. So each little subroutine that runs for one set of traffic lights can take information from the other ones, and we can have much more efficient roads now. We can have traffic moving around Northern Ireland much better because of this code. Is that a helicopter? Right, I'm out.